Are you tired of having to use a horse or walking as your main mode of transportation? Are you struggling finding a good way to transport all of your goods? Well, we have the answer.
Introducing the new steam engine. This thing is fully powered by steam. It gets you transported everywhere, man. It's like the greatest thing. Like, just watch it go. So first in the steam engine, there's this fire in the steam engine where you like shovel coal inside of it. First, right? In front of the fire. So the fire heats up a boiler, and like all the water in the boiler turns into steam. And the steam runs down this cylinder, and it goes to a piston. And then the piston starts moving, right? And then like the piston moving like gets the wheel spinning, and then like it makes it go. Ah! Watch how fast the steam engine can go. That's pretty fast, isn't it? The steam engine can be used at any time. It's more powerful than the windmill and the water mill, and it can be used for fast transportation. Still not convinced? Just listen to all these satisfied customers.
Alright, Tesla, the great roller of the dumpsters. And I use the steam engine to transport my hair grease all across the land.
You like the steam engine, don't you, Tesla?
Yeah!
I am a humble yard onion farmer. With the steam engine, I use it to transport my yard onions all across the land. I didn't even peel it.
I'm Tesla, and steam engine is real metal!
So come on down to the Oliver Evans Steam Engine dealership and buy yourself your own steam engine for only $50,000. Tired of riding a horse? Well, buy a steam engine, of course.